Hey everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these cute little dangle earrings using these little faceted Q beads in magenta, the 6mm quartz dyed, and then we also received the Mountain Jade dyed dolomite and brass faceted links. So I just took one of them and I just wanted to just do a little like hoop dangle on the bottom. I thought that was really cute. So I have an ear wire. I have some 11-0 check seed beads. These are in transparent gold. And then I also have some of my Beadalon Wildfire. That's it right there, if you want to screenshot it. And I have a number 10 beading needle. And I have about half a wingspan, maybe 3/4 of a wingspan of thread on here. So I threaded my needle, but I just, before I went any farther, I just wanted to tell you, this is using the Bargain Bead Box Tropical Heat for May of 2024. I do have a coupon code for them, BNJ2, for $2 off your first box with them. If you're not familiar with their boxes, they're $22.99 a month, and they're valued between $60 and $75. This one is valued at $77.83. So I will leave a link above right now if you want to watch me do the unboxing if you're not familiar with this box. And if you are, then you can just watch me make this. So I'm taking this link, putting it right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take two of the gold ones, and this is going to be for the top where I tie it, and then I do one of the beads, and then I just do one of each then. So I do one, so I use 7 of these, and I put the gold in between. So then I just basically layer these, and then when I get to the top, I'm going to do another 2. So where I tie it, that's going to be where the hook part of the faceted piece goes. Okay, so here I have it like this. So there's 2 right here, and I'm going to do 2 right here, like that. So it's just like this. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to feed this through like that. Let me lay this flat. Let me get some of these out of the way now so that I can do this and you can see. So I'm going to bring this all the way down to the bottom like that. Okay. And now I'm going to go up through all of these again. I'm trying to stay in focus here. And then get down to here. Let me see, I'm gonna kind of do it like this because it's kind of too long to just go all the way through. But make sure that you get all the beads and you don't skip any, because if you like skip the little ones, then it's kind of a pain in the patootie. Okay, so now I'm going to go up through these 2 as well. You can, and then I'm going to go through one more time. Okay, so now I'm going to, without losing that little tail that I have right there, I'm going to keep, oh, I just undid it. Oh, here it is. Oh, I saved it. Hold on a minute. If I can get these 2 little beads on there. I saved it. Never mind. Okay, thank you. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just going to do it down like this. I'm going to hold on to this because obviously, okay. So here's where I am, and I have kind of a long tail here, but that's okay. And it's going to go through here twice. So I'm going to take this then, after you get it tightened up there, and I'm going to tie it once. Now when you tie it, you want to make sure that it's tight enough that the thread is not laying on that hoop there, because if it does, it will eventually wear out over time. So I'm just going to do, I'm going to do a surgeon's knot right there. This is just a really easy peasy earring. So then I'm pulling it like that. You can take and just give it a nice little tug. And then I cut this one right there. And you can leave a teeny little piece of thread because you're not going to see it. And so it's laying like this. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to go, let me see. And I'm going to go back through here without tangling that up. And I'm going to, my glasses are falling down here. And I'm going to just start going through here. And I'm going to pull this out. And I want to make sure that that doesn't wrap around and do anything bad. And then I'm just going to kind of feed this through a little bit. Even though it's already fed through twice, to me it just makes them a little more secure. And then I go through more. But I think these are so cute. It's a great way to use up your beads. Sometimes you don't want to just string that, you know, just have them strung, but you want to have a little interesting shape to them. So I'm just going to do it to about right there. That should be good. Okay, I'm going to take my flesh cutters, and then I have this right here. Now I'm going to take my Benchino's pliers. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to feed that back through there. And then I'm going to close them up like this. Look at how cute these little earrings are. Aren't they adorable? They're so easy. It's a great way to use up your stash of beads if you want to, like if you're having a little an art fair or a craft fair or something, and you have these little tooling pendants and stuff like that. So yeah, so my code is BNJewelry2 for $2 off your first box with them. And thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned for that next video. I know you're gonna love it. I put it in so you could just let the video run, and all of my information is below in the description, and you have a great day.